Okay. Did you message him, Ramen? Did you message them? Okay. Okay. All right. So our commentators went to go somewhere, maybe to grab some grub. But I'll sub in for a little. So we got Dio versus Akko. All caps, by the way. Both of these players have all caps in their name. But right now, it's not looking good for Dio. Getting comboed heavily by Akko. And oh no! Ooh! All right, they're here. I'm out of here.
Hey yo, we back.
Alright, bro, we're back. We're energized.
Yes, sir.
The commentators are back in action, dude. I got a freaking recess bar, and I'm fully nutted up, dude.
He nutted, bro. You're looking a little bit rough for Rio right now. Or Dio, sorry.
He's putting the freaking Sam in his deal, bro. They don't call Akko for nothing, dude. KOing everyone.
Ooh, okay, that was a little sus. I think he wanted to like call out a joke. What the fuck? That was the first time I've seen that 2-frame.
Yeah, you'll never see this with Josh versus Seba, dude. This is the cool version, dude. Look at this old man. All they would be doing right now is just looking at each other for a quick second.
All right, takes game 1.
Honestly, the way that Dio was looking at Akko in the cam, dude, I thought he was gonna give him a kiss like right here. When he turned around, give him a kiss right there, dude. Like no care, he's like.
Well, how come
Finally, bro, I couldn't understand Josh. I couldn't stand Josh. Me neither, dude. All right, bro, I got one more bar in me. Who wants to see the vein, bro? Who wants to see the vein? Hold on.
Vein.
So they start. Don't switch the cam, bro. Oh, look at that vein, dude. It's still in there.
Bro, that's a pussy. That's a Snickers pussy. Look at that shit. All right, we got game 2-1 down. We're seeing how Dio can sort of try to adapt to playing against just a mashy, just fast character, just like himself, right? But one that can actually move around in the air and shit. Oh no!
Akko knows about the Akko, bro. You know?
He's been watching and downloading him off the set, bro. Oh no.
No, bro, no.
I don't know why he's doing this. Akko, Seba, Dio-sama, Mr. Newport.
Honestly,
Exactly, bro. What's up?
Dio should change his name to Tetsuya. I don't know why, but it reminds me a lot of like Little Max. He can finish off what Josh couldn't finish, or he can finish what Josh started. Because we know he wasn't strong enough.
Did he play Little Mac back when he was named Tetsuya though? True, bro.
Or if he changed it in Ultimate, we don't know why.
Cause it was a good name too, or not? Like, bruh.
I forgot the story about it.
Please don't just randomly KO punch. Holy shit. Yeah, Akko knows that Dio-sama just wants to land and just immediately use a grounded option.
Oh, you wanted that. Whoa, no.
I think that's shield poke, or maybe he wanted to parry. Oh, there we go.
That's the hand.
Equal stocks, but Dio-sama still at a 117% deficit.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Start up.
he went for down smash. I think he wanted to do the down angle.
That up there.
He wants the F tilt.
should have launched the ledge, bro.
Yeah.
The heck was that combo? What is this combo?
I've seen him. He's been doing it. He did it a lot against Ashikabi.
That was the freaking nastiest Snickers ever in my life, bro.
What do you mean?
King has been in that store for like months. I know that. I took a bite into it and it was like biting freaking
Alright.
plastic.
So you heard it here. Luis does not check expiration dates before eating his food.
I don't, bro. Why do I need to?
Now that I think about it. Yo, that
Nice
was okay,
KO punch,
okay.
bro.
Now that I think about it, I haven't even checked mine.
Why do you
September 21, 22. Alright, I'm good.
He's dead. No double
Oh,
Ooh. All right, bro. Last game. I'm about to get high.
Philippines. Product placement? Oh.
All right, guys. Potentially the last game of the Glitch Arcadian. We got Akko versus Dio-sama. Is Dio-sama gonna be able to bring this back, or is he gonna stay as a little loser and just take it on, bro? Which one of these is the Chan, bro? And which one of these is the little high school? They're both high schoolers, by the way.
But you gotta remember, second place is just first place losing.
Exactly, dude. Like nobody likes second place. I would rather take third, dude. Like honestly. All right, Akko's just staying in place. Neri's waiting for Dio-sama to throw something out, but we know Dio-sama, he doesn't hold back, bro. He's literally gonna go in. Jump. That's death. Never mind.
Yeah.
He said his jump. He's swinging, bro. He's swinging. Dio-sama does not know how to just press one button and then stop. If he presses one, he's gonna hit 3 more after. 1, 2. Okay, there you go. That was the match. And gets the KO punch, bro.
Very nice.
Dude, those KO punches are just mental damage to people. Like, honestly, I don't care if I got KO punch. I don't care if I got KO punch, but like, just the sound effect makes me mad. And the fact that Josh is grinning under his mask, dude, it makes me even rage more.
He's grinning under his mask. Where is he at?
I don't know, it's gritty somewhere. Okay, Dio-sama is just playing footsies. You don't play footsies against him, bro. I think he actually thinks he's Muhammad Ali right now. He wants to float like a butterfly, but you know what he stings like? He stings like a friggin' wasp, dude.
Alright, I like it.
Look at him.
We're being supportive of Dio-sama. Oh, no
Up
tech, bro.
up there. Down there. Okay, we're gonna shield a little bit, you know, give him a little shimmy.
Tries to get the parry, but whips 2 F-silts. Oh, crosses him up, but oh my god.
Reacts to the air dodge in. Down smash not gonna be enough. Akko sets up a tech situation. Raw freaking KO punch, dude. You know this man never uses protection in any type of way.
Yeah, I think he just like baited that out for sure.
A little bit of flames, not gonna be enough. Goes for a ledge trump back here. Akko classic, dude. When he's struggling to kill, he's gonna go for it every single time.
It works, bro.
Okay, this is all not out of the game. Is Akko gonna close it out, be the new Arcadian champion? Oh, that was
shit.
close.
Wait. Oh, no way. Oh, okay. Tries to read a jump.
And there we
There
go.
we have it. And that is Arcadian number 5 at Glitch Gaming Center. Let's go! Woo!
Nice run to everyone. Nice run for everyone at this tournament, dude. You saw everyone try their hearts out. There's anger, there's sadness, there's happiness, there's pop-offs, dude. You saw all type of emotions today, and you're not gonna see that anywhere else but at Arcadian. You're gonna go to Glitch Weeklies. You're gonna see friggin' the most stoic people ever. They see this every single day, but at Arcadians, you see everything a little bit
Josh
different.
and Seba every single week, bro.
I'm tired of it, bro. I'm tired of it. I want to see something new, dude. Like, no, you get bored of it.